Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to delete Amazon account on phone. So first, you need to tap your browser. Then enter amazon.com. Log in to your Amazon account. Then after that, tap web address again. And then tap amazon.com/privacy/data deletion. Then enter. Scroll down. Select your main reason for closing your Amazon account. Tap or choose one of them and then tap yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. So that's how to delete Amazon account on phone. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.